guys, today we talk about how can you add trading password on your Win app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo in this sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click on security here. So when you click on security, it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click on trading password here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here add your verification code from your email. So when you go to your email and get this verification code and add it to this list, then you click here on send or confirm here. So you click here on confirm when I add it. So then it's going to take you to change your or add your trading password. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.